I have rheumatoid arthritis severely in my ankles. It took away a lot of things that I love to do. And with rheumatoid arthritis pain, I didn't think about an ankle replacement. All I thought about was I wanted an amputation. That's how bad rheumatoid arthritis pain is. My rheumatologist is at Mayo, and she recommended Dr. Hout.
So a case like Darylyn's is very complex. She has issues in multiple different spots of the foot. And so getting an idea of an inventory of everything she has is critical. The design of the Advita system makes a case like Darylyn's, which is otherwise very complex, a lot simpler.
He actually told me I was a challenge for him after surgery. He said that. This ankle replacement that I had, I'm very thankful. I'm so blessed that God put Dr. Hout in my life to do this for me. So I'm just glad that I'm slowly getting my life back.